Do you still remember that special method only top students used to know? Yep, solving a quadratic equation with the cross-multiplication trick. Let's take a quadratic as our example. Of course, this one isn't too hard. The standard way is to use the quadratic formula. That's the textbook approach. But it involves squares and square roots, and the calculations get a little messy. So, what do experts do? They use cross-multiplication. Let me walk you through it, step by step. First, break down the quadratic term into two factors. Here, that means x and x. Next, split the constant term into two numbers. We'll take -3 and -5. Now, cross-multiply. X times -3 and x times -5. Add them up, and you get -8x. That matches the middle term perfectly. So the factorization is correct. That means we can write it as x minus 3, x minus 5 equals 0. Each factor gives a solution, so x equals 3 and x equals 5. See? The answers come out much faster than using the quadratic formula. Let's wrap up the rule. Draw a cross. Pick two numbers that multiply to the constant and add up to the middle coefficient.